what I said at the end of that one. I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of more parts on here so that I give y'all the complete, all the way walk through. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's just go ahead and lay that down. What I would do with this is I got two compressors on the bass. I generally do that with vocals too, you know what I mean? So you can kind of catch the catch the notes, catch all the important parts of the bass, but at the same time, some notes are louder than the other one. So I'll put another compressor on here to even it out. You know what I mean? As best as I possibly can. Keep it simple. All right. Dealing with volume, like over here with the gain, you always want to work in stages of 3. 3 dB will make it twice as louder, and 6 dB I'll make it no, I'm sorry, twice as loud as 6 dB, and just barely, halfway there is 3 dB, just according to the way the ear perceives sound. So keep 3 and 6 in mind. You generally don't want to go more than 6 dB when you're trying to bring something up. And basically what I did is I just brung the gain down on here. I brung it down actually 9 dB, but I brung it down and then I came over here and then I brung the threshold up so it could get further into the signal and catch the sound. And then I just brung it down so I can even everything out so you can hear it. And I played with the attack and the knee. Let's see, try this one. Yeah, we can do that. 3 octaves though, but yeah. All right, we can do that. That's cool. All right, so let's go ahead and lay that down. Again. what I just did here. I just adjusted the volume of the strings. And when dealing with a compressor, man, this is another golden gift right here. It's all about the attack and the release. You're going to have, I think, 4 options. You're either going to have a fat sound, or you're going to have a very punchy sound. So it's just 2 options, you know. A fast attack is going to, obviously, it's going to catch the notes a lot quicker, so it's going to add more punch to it. And the slower or the faster you have the release is how it's going to make it more punchier, because it's only going to be open for a certain amount of time. And the attack is basically when a person would actually what is it? What's the best way to translate that without getting all technical with it? Attack is just how quick the compressor kicks in. You dig what I'm saying? And the release is how quick it turns off, how slow it turns off. You know what I mean? And depending on what track, like with bass or something like that, you would want to have a slower attack with an open, slower release. You know, so you can kind of fatten it up a little bit. But like something like a snare, you would want to have a quick attack with a quick release. You know what I mean? Because you don't want to leave the snare open too long. Depends on, you know, the style of music. But like I said, this is just some extra engineer tips that I'm giving y'all, so you can continue to make what you need to make without having to consult with too many different, you know, whatever resources to try to get your beats to sound the way that you want them to.